Hi guys, this is Annie from Mommy Trades. Hope you guys are all doing great. We had a really nice week. So many green trades, nice profits. Yes, we did have a couple of roller coaster rides, but what fun is trading if we don't have those? So I like the fact that we got into strong names. The cloud stocks did really well this week. ZM, ZS, Cyber, TTT, our good old Okta, all simply beautiful. And yes, good old HD also performed very well for our stock portfolio and for our option calls. And so did NVIDIA and SQ. So I want to talk about a few things. Now, I wanted to go through my stock only service. Now, it's a stock only service for people who cannot actively trade and don't like to micromanage trades. So, to be successful in managing such a portfolio, you have to position size. It is the key to success because what happens when you don't micromanage is that you are going to see some swings. It can show you a loss, and the next day it all wipes out, and that loss goes into profits. So, to control that emotional factor that is associated with it is only done by making sure that your trading size is right and it's controllable given your portfolio size. I can show you with examples of what I do personally. So for example, if I am risking $1,000 for all my stock trades, so that means the stop level I determine for the trade will dictate my position. Let me show you this by an example here. Now for NVIDIA trade I got long at $171. My stop loss for that trade was 168. So that is a $3 stop loss, meaning if it goes to 168, I should not lose more than $1,000. So therefore, the position size cannot be more than 330 shares. That said, I only bought 250 shares for NVIDIA. And the idea is that we keep raising our stop loss once the stock clears the resistance. That way we can manage our exposure and we can ensure a green trade as the stock moves in our intended direction. And we keep on, locking our profits as we go. Now, so far this week, I traded three stocks. I started out SQ trade with 1/3 position. I will add more if I see it fit. So the idea is not only trade, but also practice position sizing and proper risk management. So now I am going to move on to the most important topic, that is the pre-alerts, how to trade those. So yes, I was talking about the pre-alerts, how to trade those. Now, as you see, most of these breakout type trades, so I give them time by seeing a 5-minute close of the candle above the resistance. Excuse me. Now, it helps reduce the fake out trades. Of course, they can still happen. There is no guarantee. But, as a trader, you try to improve your probability of a good trade or a winning trade by waiting for some sort of confirmation. Now, but to take advantage of such a trade, you have to be ready with your order entry screen at the same time. You cannot scramble at that point to find out which contract will you trade, which expiration should you choose. So if you go do that, that train would have left by then. You have to be ready. That's what pre-alerts are meant to do, to get you ready to execute the plan when it comes to life. Now, I will tell you what I do, and then you can do something similar to do that. First of all, I go create an alert. So for example, we did the ZM chart. I wanted it to trade above $98 at this level. For me, um, so for what I did is that since I wanted it to trade above 98, I open my chart and find my price level. And then I create an alert that please notify me when the price of ZM is above 97.9, closer to 98. So notice how I give the 10 cents or sometimes 20 cents less, so that, that gives me time to get prepared, to get to the screen, to open up everything. So that way, I know a bit in advance that a stock is about to break out. So also when you are alerted and I already know that the contract and my order screen is ready here. All I need to do is that I wait for the 5-minute candle to close, or at least give me a good feeling in the 4th minute that this is breaking out on a high volume and it's not coming down. So I may get in early, but it is a subjective goal. So as soon as my criteria is met, I click buy or confirm and my order gets executed. So that is how I set myself up for the pre-alerts that I give out. Of course, you can only do so much, in a given time. You cannot trade everything. So even if you're able to make 2 good plays, that's all you need in a day. So don't go on looking up for more setups, because it's not like more is better. It's more like, look for the quality setups and go for the best. I also want to talk about how to play earnings. I know a lot of you like to trade that, but based on my trading methodology of not predicting the price, I cannot recommend that you buy a put or call before earnings. However, there is a smart way of trading that. I will be posting a video of how to trade around earnings for the guide members. So the video that I will post will be exclusive for the guide members. Very, very simple and easy to follow, and has very good results. Now we'll update the stock only members area with my close trades over the weekend. And I just want to expand on it, as I like the passive style trading. So that's about all the information that I wanted to give. And one more thing I wanted to stress about the pre-alerts is that please do watch out for volume whenever you are trading, especially midday pre-alerts, and wait for confirmation, please, in those. Okay, guys, this is about it. Hope you guys have fun and stay healthy. Going to sign off for the week. Have to take kids to Lion King this weekend. So we'll definitely be enjoying some of my profits, and hope you guys do the same. Trading is a tough job, but rewarding if you keep things simple and follow your rules. Take care. Over and out. Bye.